Today, I want to talk about how Butler has taught me about myself. When I was given the opportunity to come back, I had mixed feelings. I wasn't fully unhappy with public school, but I knew that I wasn't being challenged. I struggled with whether to choose a traditional high school experience, which I had told myself I had always wanted, or the engaging education I felt I needed. I didn't want to leave the friends that I had made or the sports I played, but I knew if I stayed, I would continue to do the bare minimum required to get good grades. Ultimately, I decided that my education was more important. When I came back in my 11th year, the difference in culture was apparent. At first, it was really hard for me to adjust, since I had spent the last year only worrying about the bare minimum to get the best grade possible. After I adjusted, though, it was an amazing feeling to do the work for myself. Without grades, I was motivated by my own interests. I actually felt proud of the work that I was doing. I pushed myself because I was interested in what was being taught. I also chose to leave the academic space that I had grown comfortable in. In doing so, I learned about how I grow academically and as a person.